You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Today is a day off in the USA, but the exchanges will be open in the morning. Nevertheless, it is not necessary to count on the appearance of really strong movements in the financial markets, although such a scenario should not be excluded. Let me remind you that a report on changes in the level of business activity in the manufacturing sector, as well as in the U.S. service sector, will be published today. Unexpectedly, a stronger decline in these indices may put additional pressure on the U.S. dollar. After all, the slowdown in the world's largest economy will increase the likelihood of a reduction in the key interest rate by the Federal Reserve in the first half of 2024. Given the festive mood, due to the approach of Black Friday, and a short working day in the United States, trading activity may remain moderate today. Let me remind you that yesterday most currency pairs were trading in relatively narrow sideways. There was also no activity in the oil, gold, and cryptocurrency markets. This is due to the celebration of Thanksgiving in the United States, which is why the exchanges were closed. Also today, trading activity may remain moderate. But from Monday, volatility will increase, because investors will return to the market. First of all, I will pay attention to the oil market. After all, the decline in quotations of the American WTI grade is noticeably below $80 per barrel worries Saudi Arabia. Therefore, a number of relevant experts continue to warn investors about the readiness of Saudi Arabia to increase its own reduction. Also, we should not forget about the upcoming OPEC Plus meeting, which was postponed from November 26 to November 30th. It may also decide on a general reduction in oil production by cartel participants. All this significantly increases the probability of an increase in oil trading activity on Monday. Shifting to the cryptocurrency market, I will pay attention to the still low volatility of trading, which is also associated with a protracted weekend in the United States. After all, at this moment there is no information about the decision of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission regarding applications for the creation of a Bitcoin ETF. Also, large investors do not participate in trading, thereby contributing to a decrease in volatility. But all this increases the likelihood of a significant increase in volatility at the beginning of next week. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.